So are you guys also worrying about beta channel like Windows 11 you have but you are not able to select beta channel? And you guys also commenting like please make a video for beta channel, how we can switch that. In my previous video I told how you can switch to dev channel if it is not available in your system. So you can follow that. Okay, so let me just tell you how you can get beta channel. Okay, just press Windows plus I key. It will open this Windows setting and go to updates. And here you will see Windows Insider program and go here. Here you will see some message. Your PC does not meet the minimum hardware requirement. Okay, so you wanna fix this? We can easily fix it, but it is not a legit way because from registry you can change the message. That's it. If anybody showing you to changing some message from registry and fixing it, then they are just making you fool. Okay, so don't be scared about this message. So you can see Windows 11 is genuinely available, at which time it is recommended to clean install Windows 10, then you can upgrade. So currently Microsoft is also testing on different systems, so don't worry about these messages. So you can see here choose your insider settings, just click on it, and in my case you can see dev channel option, and I am also not able to select beta channel, and we can also select release preview, but they are not giving unsupported system to select the beta channel. So how you can get this beta channel update? So good catch is here, you can get this beta channel update in your dev channel. Okay, so how you can believe that? So at the top you can see install build 22100, and you can go to their website. So you can see here message Windows 11 insider preview, build is this, insider in beta channel. Okay, so they are released in beta channel. So how I get this in my dev channel? I don't know how I get it, but I get this. Okay, so don't worry about this beta channel, just choose this dev channel watching my previous video if you're not in dev channel. But if you are in dev channel, go to your updates and check for it. So after clicking on check for update, so you will get this beta channel update in your dev channel. Okay, so let me show you update history, just click on it. So in update history you can see your feature updates and go to quality update. You can see here cumulative update Windows 11 and version is this, and they just released on 22 and I just updated on 23. Okay, so next day I just updated and get this update in my dev channel. So you don't need to worry about your beta channel or dev channel, just select the dev channel if you want the update. So guys, that's it about how you can get beta channel update. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.